guys, this is Sham. This is a public service announcement on project management consulting workshop that I'll be conducting throughout the year. It's a 100% online workshop that will happen through Zoom or Google Hangout. And this workshop is for those folks who want to get into project management, want to switch their careers from either a technical role into project management or from a non-technical role into project management. What usually people do is they end up taking up a training, getting themselves certified, and then start looking for jobs, which is not the right approach. So through this workshop, first you'll be going through an assessment whether you would have those skills or attributes to become a project manager or not, because project management is a difficult career. It's different as well from the other jobs that you have. You really need to understand whether it's just a short-lived aspiration that you have, that you want to get into project management. For that, there are some basic assessments that we do as a part of this workshop, wherein you will understand whether this is the right fit for you or not. Once you understand that okay, this is the right fit for your skill set that you have, you would be going through several tasks, mainly how you can projectize your existing work, how you can learn the terminologies of a project management work. Basically, I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can prepare your resume, wherein I'll be sharing you some of the templates, some of the cover letters, and help you in a targeted job search. When you're applying for a project management job, it's not necessary that you have certifications. That's a misconception that a lot of people have, that you need to get certified. Not really. It's not necessary. However, you need to understand the concepts, you need to understand the terminologies that these certifications hold. And there is a time and place for the certification as well during this workshop, which I will provide you with the step by step approach. And along with this workshop, once you complete it, you would be having a blueprint or a path on how you can transition your career. Along with that, as a bonus, I'm going to provide 200 plus project management templates that you can use in your day-to-day work, that can really help you to visualize how a project would look like in reality. And these are not some generic templates, these are real world project templates that I'm going to be sharing. If you think that really resonates to your career choice and career path that you want to take forward, do contact on this number that I've mentioned, or drop in an email with all your details about where you're working, your resume. I'll be getting in touch with you guys and we can start a plan for you. If you're new to this channel, do subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends who are looking into project management career transition. Until then, take care. I'll see you in the next one.